The TYC 620560 electric cooling fan assembly is engineered to replace the original fan in your vehicle, offering a direct fit and superior performance. Designed to match the fit, function, and appearance of your vehicle's original equipment, this cooling fan assembly is a crucial component in keeping your engine at optimal temperatures. Ideal for those facing overheating issues, especially in hot weather or slow-moving traffic, it provides enhanced cooling efficiency with its powerful motor, fan, and shroud design. Crafted with high-quality materials, the unit undergoes rigorous testing, including vibration, moisture, and corrosion resistance tests, ensuring durability and longevity. It is specifically designed to replace electric-type fans, not clutch-type fans, making it an excellent solution for many 2000 to 2006 Jeep, Dodge, and other compatible vehicles. If you're looking for a reliable replacement to prevent overheating, this cooling fan assembly is a cost-effective and dependable solution. With easy installation, it ensures a seamless replacement process, providing peace of mind on your next long drive. Don't wait for overheating to become a problem. Click the link in the description to buy the TYC 620560 electric cooling fan assembly now, and subscribe to our channel for more product recommendations.